Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing really good. Well students, as you all know, we are already done with reading and explanation of unit number 1. Today we will be doing from page number 6, exercise A, part 1, which is comprehension, and you all know the topic, which is very good. Dorothy meets the Scarecrow. It is taken from The Wizard of Oz. Okay. Before coming to comprehension questions, let's discuss the main characters first. There was a young girl. What was her name? Anyone remember? Yes, Dorothy, and she was carrying her dog in her basket. What was the name of her pet dog? Very good, Toto. Okay, while passing by a cornfield, she saw something. What was that? It was a scarecrow, which was stuffed with the straws, and it had no brain at all, right? Okay, let's come to first question. What is the road made of? What is the road made of? Okay, what was the road made up of? Like it was made of cement, or it was made up of bricks? Well, yes, the road is made up of bricks. But what was the color of bricks? You can get the hint from this picture. Very good. Let's move towards the answer. The road is made up of yellow bricks. I repeat, the road is made up of yellow bricks. Okay, the second question is, what is Dorothy's pet called, and what type of creature is he? Okay, what type of creature was he? Whether it was a dog or cat or something else? Well, yes, it was a dog. And what was the name of this dog? Whether Toto or Coco? Let's ask him. Hey, little puppy, what's your name? Hi, I am Toto. Okay, its name is Toto. Well, students, I want to mention one thing here, that we always use it for animals. That is why I am consistently using it. But in this chapter, the writer has used he for the dog. He for the dog. So while writing answer, you are going to use he. Okay, so let's move towards the answer. And the answer of this question is, Dorothy's pet is called Toto and he is a dog. See what we have used, it or he. He is a dog. Okay, let's move towards the next question. Why is the scarecrow in the field? Okay, what was the purpose of putting a scarecrow in the field? We have already discussed it, right? Let's see the answer. The scarecrow is in the field to scare the birds and to stop them from eating the ripe corn, right? Yes, the scarecrow was there just to scare away the birds and to stop them from eating the corn. Okay, very good. Let's move towards the next question. What does Dorothy do to help the scarecrow? Okay, what did she do? Let's see. Okay, Dorothy reaches up both her arms and lifts the scarecrow off the pole. Okay, she helped the scarecrow to come down from that tall pole, right? Dorothy reaches up both her arms and lifts the scarecrow off the pole. Okay, let's move towards the next question. Second last question of today's class. What does Scarecrow do to help Dorothy? As Dorothy helped Scarecrow, Scarecrow also helped Dorothy, and we have discussed it in the chapter in reading and explanation class. Let's see the answer of this question. The Scarecrow carries her basket to help her. Right? Do you remember? Scarecrow said, I won't mind to carry your basket because I never get tired as I am stuffed with straws. Do you remember? Yes, the Scarecrow carries her basket to help her. Right? Okay, where was Dorothy going? Where is she going? She is going to Emerald City. Dorothy is going to Emerald City. Okay, why is she going to the Emerald City? I think she was going there just to meet her best friend or anyone else. Well, yes, Dorothy is going to the Emerald City to meet the Great Oz. But why did she want to meet the Great Oz? Well, she wanted to go back her home, which is in Kansas, right? So that is why she wanted to meet the Great Oz, and that is why she was going to the Emerald City, right? Well done. Let's move towards the last question. What did the Scarecrow want to ask the Great Oz for? I repeat, what did the Scarecrow want to ask the Great Oz for? Whether the Scarecrow wanted to make friends or he wanted to eat something. Why did he want to meet the Great Oz, and what did the Scarecrow want to ask the Great Oz for? Let's see. Okay, the Scarecrow wanted to ask the Great Oz for a brain. Yes, because he was stuffed with straws, right? And he never wants that to be a fool. He never wanted that, right? He want a brain like Dorothy has, right? And he said to Dorothy, I don't want anyone to call me a fool, right? That is why he was going with Dorothy to meet the Great Oz so that he can ask a favor from him. And the favor was, he wanted to ask for a brain. Very good. That's all for today's class. Okay, students, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.